Hello y'all, welcome back to Performance Studio, Holistic Health and Wellness. In this video, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing with, really it's the cushion, this physical therapy cushion. It really supports the knees, so I'm able to bicep curl, rack, and then from a kneeling position, get into a squat. This is just a great way to just overall develop the strength upper body, and then also the strengthening of the knees and quads as well. So this is just an example of like I said, this is more for utilizing the cushion, which really provides support for my knees. So I'm able to do all these exercises that you're seeing here. And also it just switches it up. Usually, we work with our feet, but here in this kneeling position, I'm able to feel these exercises with the kettlebell just a little different. But it really just helps to utilize this kneeling strength conditioning, what I'll call strength conditioning kettlebell workout. Like I said, the key here is the physical therapy cushion, which I'm going to show you is going to be the kneeling kettlebell swing to rack. So that's where the cushion really comes into play to support me. Because these kettlebells are what I think these ones were like 25 pounds each. So I'm really feeling the effect.